Silver Oak University, established in 2009 and located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, has received an overall rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. Let's explore the BTech program offered here, starting with its placements rated 3.7 stars. As per the 2024 academic session report, more than 900 companies visited the campus during the placement drive. Students share that the top companies such as TCS, Wipro, Infosys, Tata, IBM, and Flipkart hired them in roles of data analyst, web developer, front-end developer, software developer, manager, and mobile application developer. For the 2023 academic session, the highest salary package offered was 13 lakh per annum, with an average package of 3.6 lakh per annum. For the BTech graduates, according to student reviews, the highest package was around 10 lakh per annum, while the average package varied between 3 to 5 lakh per annum. While comparing, Silver Oak University is on par with Parul University regarding average salary offered. Speaking of internships, students were able to secure valuable opportunities with companies like IBM, Coca-Cola, Wipro, TCS, Deloitte, and Infosys, with the highest stipend reaching around 45,000 per month. Shifting focus to academics, with the 4-year BTech program that has received a rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. Interestingly, the BTech program at the university is offered through 2 engineering colleges: Silver Oak College of Engineering and Technology and Aditya Silver Oak Institute of Technology. SOCET offers 11 BTech specializations, including the introduction of the aerospace engineering in 2024-25 academic session. Interestingly, ASOIT offers 7 BTech specializations. Admission requires a minimum of 45% in 12th board examinations, with accepted entrance exams being JEE Main or GU-JCET. As per the JEE cutoff for 2024, admission to the BTech program in chemical engineering is the most competitive. The program fee for the 4-year BTech at SOCET is 3.12 lakhs, while at ASOIT it is 2.52 lakhs. Meanwhile, the hostel fees for the same duration ranges between 3.96 lakhs to 5 lakhs. Moving on now to infrastructure rated 4 stars. The Silver Oak University campus, located on 23 acres along the Gota Road in Ahmedabad, boasts excellent connectivity. The Wi-Fi-enabled campus is equipped with air-conditioned spacious classrooms, seminar halls, fully stocked library, auditoriums, specialized facilities such as a supercomputer and an HPC supercomputing facilities and virtual labs. The campus offers separate hostels for boys and girls with a range of sharing options. Students appreciate the healthy and delicious meals provided in the hostel, as well as the quality food available in the canteen. In terms of sports, the campus provides diverse facilities including cricket, volleyball, football, and basketball. Other amenities include medical healthcare services and transportation facilities. Turning to faculty and course, rated 4.2 stars. Most faculty members are highly qualified and are appreciated by students for their helpfulness and approachability, contributing to the students' industry readiness. To sit for exams, students must maintain 80% attendance with a passing percentage of 40%. The curriculum is further strengthened through collaborations with renowned organizations like GEO, SAC ISRO, Maruti, NSDC, UAS International, IIT Bombay's Spoken Tutorial Program, and Tata Indian Institute of Skills. Extensive research opportunities are available at the university through the Incubation Center, Center of Research, and the Royal Enfield Center of Excellence. Shifting our focus to campus life, rated 3.9 stars. Students can immerse themselves in a dynamic environment with university and departmental clubs, along with seminars and TEDx events. The campus is active and lively, with events, fests, talks, etc. organized year-round. Wrapping up with rankings, Silver Oak University is currently unranked in the NIRF 2024 rankings in the engineering category. For more details on Silver Oak University, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and to explore thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha app now. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.